Hi Year 9, I hope you're having a lovely day and looking forward to your last maths lesson of the week. We're going to build on our substitution work from yesterday today. So make sure you've got a date and a title, pause the video to put those in, and then we're going to do a couple of problems together before I give you most of the lesson to practice some more substitution. So here's our first one, 3 problems here. If A equals 7 and B equals 10 and C equals 6, we're going to substitute those in to these three expressions. So I'm going to substitute that in to A plus 12. I'm going to substitute in to 2B minus 3, and then I'm going to substitute into that slightly fiddlier last one, AB plus C. So what you need to do now is pause the video and have a go at those as best you can. If you want to pause the video and do the first one and then watch the first one and then do the second one and watch the second one, that's fine. If you feel that you really struggle with these, then feel free to watch some of it, but do try and do some of it yourself as well. Okay, so for that first one, A plus 12. Remember, just like in sport, I need to substitute off the letter and substitute on the number. So I'm going to rewrite A plus 12, but I'm going to substitute off the A and substitute on the 7. So instead of A plus 12, I'm going to write 7 plus 12, and then I can work out that 7 plus 12 equals 19. So when I substitute A equals 7 into A plus 12, it gives me 19. Next one then, I'm going to substitute B equals 10 into 2B minus 3. Again, have a go if you can, pause the video and have a go if you can and come back to check, or just watch a little bit if you need to. So 2B means two lots of B, but I'm subbing out the B and subbing on the 10. So I'm going to put 2 lots of 10 minus 3. 2 lots of 10 is 20, so it's 20 minus 3, which equals 17. Is that one when I substitute in 10 into that one. And then last one, slightly fiddlier one, so I'm going to have to practice a bit more today. AB plus C over 2. So I'm going to swap out the A for a 7, the B for a 10, and the C for a minus 6. Remembering that AB means A times B, so it's going to be 7 times 10 plus C, which is plus minus 6, all over 2. Well, it's a little bit of working out to be done there then. Now 7 times 10 is 70. 70 plus minus 6. Well, 70 plus 6 would make it bigger. So 70 plus minus 6 must make it smaller. So the top is 64 over 2. And then 64 divided by 2 equals 32. So that last one is 32. I hope you're happy with all of those. We'll look at one more together, which is a slightly different one, a slightly wordier one, but we're still going to do the same thing. The rule for area of a trapezium is A equals a half h brackets x plus y. Find the area of a trapezium where h equals 6, x equals 3, and y equals 5. So again, I want you guys to have a go at this now. I'm going to put an A equals here, pause the video, and rewrite this expression, but write in those 3 numbers. Write in a 6 instead of h, write in a 3 instead of x, and write in a 5 instead of y. Have a go at that now. Okay, so hopefully you've had a go at that. So it starts with a half, that's what I was going to say is a half. Remember, a half h means a half times h. So instead of h, I'm going to write a 6. And again, that means times this bracket. And then x plus y. Instead of x plus y, I'm going to write 3 plus 5. All that's left to do now is to do the working out. So I've got a half times 6. 3 plus 5 is 8. Times 8. And then a half times 6 is just the same as a half of 6, which is 3. So it's 3 times 8, which is 24. So the area of that trapezium would be 24. Have a go at the task. The task is going to be that My Maths task today. Make sure you still do it in your book, but you also type the answers into My Maths, because if you type those answers into My Maths and mark it, I can see how you're getting on. Any problems, please email me. I will be at my computer. I will get back to you as quickly as I can. But if you are struggling with the substitution, remember there is the lesson section on My Maths which you can work through to help you as well. But obviously any other problems or anything you want help with or check in, do email me and I'll get back to you as quickly as I can. Enjoy that now. This video, probably, depending on how long you pause it to, has taken you up to about 20 past 12 or 25 past 12. So you need to work on these questions until about 1 o'clock. That should give you plenty of time to get the My Maths questions done. If you run out of time, just do as many of the My Maths questions as you can in the time and then click mark it when you run out of time. If you can get them done, if you work an extra 10 minutes to get them done or something, that'd be fantastic. Okay, any problems, let me know. But otherwise, have a lovely day, have a lovely weekend. I'll speak to you next week.